What's going on, everyone? Today we have a very special PR unboxing. Mainly because this is a very big company and I did not realize I was on their radar. But we've got a PR box from Skittles. This is for the Spicy Fuego Gummies. Yes, I'm aware this has been out for a while, but I don't care. So we got the box. Got a little card in there. Do you dare to spice things up? Experience Skittles in a new way. The spicy way inside this box is a sample of our new edition Skittles Gummies Fuegos, where sweet meets sizzle. Spice up your next snack break on us. 5 bold, fruity flavors for those who dare to taste. I do dare to taste. This one is the raspberry from the looks of it, so cheers. Okay, so when you first taste it, it's definitely a little on the spicy side. Or just regular, gummy. When that spice kicks in, woo! It kicks in. Thank you, Skittles. I am looking forward to this. And have you tried the Fuego gummies yet?